Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the entire process of setting up an account and exploring the various features offered by the StepUp Learning portal. So let's get started. The first step would be to type in the website address into the search bar, which is stepuplearning.net, and click on the enter option. And boom. So this is the website where the various training options will be stated. So for all the newbies who are visiting the website for the first time, you guys will have to register by clicking on the register tab on the right hand side of the portal. So once you click on the register button, a dialog box appears and the various options are available, which will be choosing the campus recruitment. Click on the next button and you will have to enter the various details in order to get started. So I'm going to enter. So once you are done entering the details, click on the create an account option. And you will get a message saying that your account is registered successfully. Then check your mail with which you have registered. And you will receive an email verification. By clicking the link, you can verify your account and hence you're ready to go. So once you're done logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard and you can add in a cool avatar and let's get started. So you'll be directed to a page where the major topics which are to be covered for the placement prep will be listed, which could be verbal ability, quants, logical reasoning, DI, right? So you can click on any of the subjects below, for example, verbal ability, and there are various subtopics stated under verbal ability. So you can begin with any one of them and the videos will be shown as such. You can go and play for one of the videos and watch them for as long as you want. So one of the other features offered is the practice questions and the concept notes, which will be here. In order to go back, you can simply click on videos. Select the subject here in which you are having a problem. You could type in the question, or you could also attach a screenshot or a document which states your doubt. and the faculty will revert back to you as soon as possible. So that's one of the key features where you can ask a doubt or you can schedule a one-on-one session with any of our faculty members, right? So the buy package button on the left hand side, it basically shows the various packages which are offered by the Step Up Learning portal. The general placement prep one offers greater video lectures, the performance tracking, the training which is provided, the concept notes, then the process which is followed by various companies or the top 4 corporates in order to hire, which can be of handy in your placement prep. Coming back to the portal, you can click on this little arrow on the right hand side and click on dashboard to step back into your portal. And since we just solved 3 questions, you can see your result here. You can see the accuracy, you can see the speed that you took to solve those 2 questions, and every time you play a video it will be shown here. So one of the key advantages of this portal is where they show you the strengths, the opportunities and the weak areas. Hence, this is one of the most important thing which can help you to hone your skills and also get better at what you're weak at. You can simply click on the drop down list on the right hand side and click on the logout option, which will revert back to the website page. And here we go. So we're done with our learning for today. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.